If your floor coating is fading, yellowing, or losing its shine, there's a good chance you're dealing with UV damage, one of the most common causes of industrial floor coating failure. Most people don't realize this, but UV light from sunlight or even indoor lighting breaks down coatings over time. That's why you start seeing epoxy floor yellowing, dull spots, and uneven wear, especially in areas with direct light. Here's where it matters. Not all coatings handle UV exposure the same. Epoxy is strong, but it has low UV resistance. That's why you get discoloration. So when people compare polyaspartic versus epoxy, polyaspartic systems are built as UV-resistant concrete coatings. You get durability plus resistance to fading, yellowing, and breakdown from sunlight. That's why they're one of the best options for commercial floor coating systems exposed to light. This is where most facilities get it wrong. They focus on upfront costs but ignore exposure. Sunlight, traffic, and cleaning all impact concrete coating, maintenance, and long-term performance. That's why you see warehouse floors, sunlight damage in the same areas over and over again. So if you're choosing a system, don't just think about how it looks today. Think about commercial floor durability and what's actually going to hold up. Because the wrong system doesn't just fade, it fails easily. And if you're not sure what your floor is exposed to, getting the right guidance up front makes all the difference. If you want to make sure you're choosing the right system, start with our pricing estimator or connect with our team for a more detailed breakdown.